So this is the draft simulation with low res that we will create water here, so it falling rocks will collide with it. See how it's colliding with the side blocks and coming to the street. Maybe I can put more cars for it. Yes, so here I need to texture it. Here I need to make it more fragmented, add some debris and some smoke hopefully, and the water will work on it also. And welcome everybody again. Yeah, so this is just a setup I'm going through to experiment the following. Having this big rock which I need to lower it down a little bit to collide with the floor, let it demolish and fall down here into this area, and here will be a running water, so the water will be splashed because of this geometry and the fragmentation, so the splash will come all the way to the street. Maybe I will put some feedback so these concrete blocks will be ejected and moved because of the water force, especially in this area, and it will come to the street here with some foam and some splashes and white water. So let me stop this one. I'll just walk you to where I stopped. So from Megascan plugin, let it just load, give it a second. I'll just switch this one off. 1 second. So as we were saying, the Megascan plugin with the bridge, you can install it and it will import from the bridge, from the Quixel, all the material like these, the familiar what we call them, the canyon, massive canyons, sandstone canyon, sandstone bridge, and massive canyon sandstone. So this is how they look. Let it load. What is it? Yeah, here it is with that texture. Yeah, very cool, very famous. You can find it everywhere. Everybody's using it. Yeah, but if you subscribe, if you subscribe to the Epic account, you will get all of these for free. If you subscribe with Facebook, Google, whatever, you will not get it for free. So make yourself an account on Epic. Epic, the one who's running Unreal Engine. This is the third one I was choosing between. Okay, so I came here. I'll just for clarity, environment light, I will remove the viewboard. Okay, so this is the scene I'm building, still in progress. I try to keep it low res so I can have more resolution. So it's a grid. Okay, I edited it to make it for a river bed. That's like a concrete canal. Okay, so the water will be flowing from this area to this area. Extruded it. Let me remove the lighting. So I extruded it like this. UV transform, and I applied the material. Because it's from far away, the camera will be somewhere here, so it's okay. Box you need. Also I have another box. This box as a side wall, UV texture, and I applied material. And this is the street. I applied UV for it, and the material also. Also all I brought from Quixel. Okay, and this is another block, and I applied UV. Now here is the other part. So I use this this piece. I make it go to the ground. I transform it, another transform, so I have to move it, Ctrl G. Also I use this one, match size, and transform it here. And this piece is the one I wanted to fracture, especially this area here. So the way I went through it, I want to cut it, so I didn't select because it will give me jagged and a lot of angle and open edges. So this is the geometry. I created a grid, and this grid is cutting roughly in the area I want. I give it some mountain a little bit, boolean. So with the boolean, let it run. Okay, with the boolean it will cut, see. So then I split the boolean. I created a only piece, so I have the groups. So in the split I choose this a piece. So this is the area. Still I need to put UV here later, or a different texture, so it look like it's interior, especially this one being fragmented, and the other one I brought it here with the rest of the pieces. So these are the pieces, Ctrl G. Okay, also here I need to put UV. So this area will be demolished and fall down, and this is how it look. So I have these passive rock. I will decrease their size also because they are heavy, sort of, and this is where the water will be, and this is the street. And this is the camera, and let's go here. So I'll go here. I have a box, edit, the edit just to make it pivot like this, chamfer 3D Studio Max style, and some material, and I copy transform it all the way and transform it to the area, and I make it the Y elevation connected to the height of that block here, this one, so it set at the top of it. Okay, so this is the transform. Then here RBD fracture, I didn't go high. How much I just put for experimentation, I put low values, make it 10. Also I made the constraint very low, as you can see here. What is it? Constraint. I made it very low, so it will just fracture, because later on I will modify it more. I give it a velocity in, where did I give the velocity? It's this hammer reference. So I give it in the X, but here, yeah, so it's in Z, yeah, 10. So it push hard out. Okay, I include the other parts to be negative. Collision, RBD solver. It was my plan to take all of this after simulation and make it as a deformable static object that will be affecting the fluid. So let's go to the camera and go here where it's merged all together, and let's do a flip book. Size will make it 1080. Effect will be high quality. I don't want wire, and start. When it's finished I will come back. So this is the draft simulation with low res that we will create water here, so it falling rocks will collide with it. See how it's colliding with the side blocks and coming to the street. Maybe I can put more cars for it. Yes, so here I need to texture it. Here I need to make it more fragmented, add some debris and some smoke hopefully, and the water will work on it also, and maybe add some lights, bulb and light column and cars. So hopefully it will be nice simulation, and also your feedback is welcome, and any ideas and any assistance will be very much appreciated. So it will be a collaboration also, and also I will share the file, especially the geometry here. It can be downloaded for free, so it will be okay hopefully. Thank you very much, and see you soon with the project being completed and successful. Thank you very much.